Diwali is renowned for its vibrant lights and festive traditions, but its true essence lies deeper. At its heart, Diwali represents the triumph of inner illumination over darkness, encouraging us to look within and awaken to greater self-awareness. This festival becomes an invitation to reflect, renew, and foster personal growth, transforming the celebration from an external event into a journey of inner discovery. The tradition of thoroughly cleaning our homes before Diwali is more than a preparation for celebration. It mirrors the importance of clearing our minds. Just as we remove dust and clutter from our living spaces, we benefit from releasing emotional burdens and outdated beliefs. By letting go of what no longer serves us, we make room for clarity and renewal, setting the stage for meaningful transformation as the festival approaches. The story of Diwali echoes the journey from confusion to clarity. Personal growth often begins in moments of uncertainty when we choose to explore and understand the hidden parts of ourselves. Healing unfolds not by denying our flaws, but by accepting and integrating every aspect of who we are. This process of self-acceptance becomes the foundation for lasting change, making Diwali a powerful metaphor for awakening to our true selves. True abundance is meaningful only when paired with awareness. Celebrations feel empty when prosperity is present but purpose is lacking. When we approach moments of success or gathering with gratitude and intention, we deepen our sense of fulfillment. Diwali reminds us that joy is amplified when we honor both material blessings and the wisdom that gives them meaning. Gathering with loved ones during Diwali brings warmth and healing, reminding us of the importance of connection. These moments of togetherness can be both comforting and challenging as old emotions may resurface. Approaching these interactions with empathy and patience allows us to experience the true depth of human connection, finding light even amid complexity. The flame of a diya, so easily extinguished, is a gentle reminder of the care our inner light requires. Maintaining mental well-being is an ongoing process, nurtured by consistent self-care and compassion. By tending to ourselves with patience, we preserve the warmth and brightness that help us navigate life's uncertainties. Illumination is not a single event, but a daily practice. By regularly reflecting on our thoughts and emotions, we cultivate honesty and courage within ourselves. This commitment to self-awareness gradually becomes a steady guiding light, supporting us through challenges and fostering intentional growth. Ultimately, Diwali's deepest meaning is found in the light we nurture within. As we let go of past grievances and embrace forgiveness, we open ourselves to genuine transformation. The true celebration lies in our dedication to growth, compassion, and self-understanding, allowing each day to become a personal festival of renewal and hope.